Hi everybody, how are you doing today? The Dutch government finally encouraged the public to wear a mask, and it becomes mandatory from June 1st, although only on the public transport. As a curious person as I am, having two left hands doesn't really stop me trying to sew myself a face mask, especially under this very specific guideline. And for you, stick to the end of the video. I'm also going to share with you the best way you could possibly find online to make a face mask yourself without sewing. Absolutely worth watching, especially when you have no skill in sewing like I am. First of all, let me explain what this document says, and then I will walk you through how I sewed my very first face mask, following the instructions step by step. The basic regulation concerning COVID-19 here in the Netherlands include stay home if you have cold or fever, keep 1.5 meter social distance, avoiding crowds, working from home as much as you can, and wash your hands often. In terms of face mask, the document says it is sometimes not possible to keep a distance of 1.5 meter, and that is why from 1st of June 2020, a non-medical face mask become mandatory. You can buy one or make it at home, so that medical masks remain available for health workers. And it also says, you're not wearing a non-medical mask to protect yourself, but to protect people around you. I don't quite get this part. Anyway, you need a clean, non-medical mask for each journey by public transport. My dear friends, you all know how much I love challenges, and here we go, the sewing challenge. And here is the process. Wash your textile at 60 degrees. I already did a very clean t-shirt of mine. Cut out two pieces of fabric measuring 20 by 27 cm and use two elastic bands of 18 cm long.
I just want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it.
Step 3. Place the two textile pieces on top of each other, fold the long side by 0.5 cm and sew them together. Step 4. Fold the short edges more than 1.5 cm inwards and sew them together. Step 5. Pull the elastic through and tie a knot. Step 6. Make sure the face mask fits well on the face. Adjust the knot for this. Step 7. Slide the knot into the hem. Adjust the fabric so that it fits well over your mouth, nose, chins, and sew the elastic to the fabric. After trying it out, I realized that sewing isn't really for me. Therefore, I did my own research online. After watching tons of mask making tutorials, here, I'll share you the best way, by far the easiest way to make a face mask without sewing. Compared with the one that I just did, it is like 1 hour versus 1 minute. Here is how it goes.
I just want me to find it. On. Someone told me that I could find it. I will find my
Ta-da! There you go. It is as simple as you can see. Very self-explanatory. Because the second one is no sewing or fixation whatsoever, so you cannot really pull it or stretch it. It's gonna fall apart. But once you put it on your face, it holds very well. And this one is thicker than the previous one because it has more layers than the first one. The first one just has 2 layers, and if your fabric is too thin, like the t-shirt I was using, you would like to make your masks more layers to stop the droplet in the air. For your reference, I will also link the official document below in the description box. If you have an easier or more doable way to make the face mask, please share the love in the comment. I would love to know. Stay safe, my friends. See you next video.
Just want me to find it. I just want me to find it.